Hello guys, in this tutorial we'll be discussing about implementing trees in Python. I'm going to use Jupyter Notebook in this tutorial. Okay, let's start with importing the libraries. Here NumPy deals with the scientific calculations and Pandas deals with the dataset which we are going to use in this. And here I'm going to use cancer dataset which I have downloaded from the UCI repository. You can see this is the dataset which I have used. And we are going to predict whether the cancer is malignant or benign. So it is in the second column. Remember this because we are going to use that in the program now. So I'm going back to the program. I'm reading the data set. It's stored in CSV format, so I'm going to import that file now. I'm going to store that in DF. So you can see DF got printed here. Now I have removed the last column because the data set, the last column is nothing. It's nothing here, so I'm going to remove that last column from the data set. So I have used ilog function for that. In this column means that I'm going to include every row in the data set. And the minus one tells that I'm going to exclude the last column. Now I'm going to execute this. You can see that last column got deleted now. Now actually the head function gives the first 5 rows of your data set. So you can see 5 rows here. Now we are going to remove this ID because it does not play any role in cancer prediction. So I'm going to remove this ID, and diagnosis is the value that we are going to predict. So we are going to store it in Y. This line tells that I'm going to consider the values on the second column onwards. If 2 is below the column, that means that we are going to consider every from the second column. So 0th column, first column, second column. We are going to consider every column from the second column. So we are going to store that in X, and Y is diagnosis value, that means malignant or benign. I'm printing those values here. Now the next step is to split the data into the training set and the testing set. For that I am going to import a library from scikit-learn.model selection, that is train tested. The testing set size is going to be 0.2. I'm going to run this. In the next step, I am going to import decision tree classifier from sklearn.tree. I'm going to create an object of that dt classifier is equal to decision tree classifier. And I'm going to fit that object using the training data set. You can see now it got executed. We'll see how it's going to work for our test data set. Going to print. I'm, I'm storing the outputs of the test data and predictions. And I'm going to print these predictions. Yeah. Now the next step is to find the accuracy of the model now. For that, I am going to import accuracy score and configure matrix from scikit-learn.matrix. Now let's see whether how it is working for our training data set. It's giving an accuracy of 1, and we'll see how it is working for our testing data set. It's giving an accuracy of 0.93. And next we'll find the configured matrix for our training data set. The next step is to find configured matrix for training testing data set. This means that patient is got implemented now. Thank you.